Starting a business in 2025 looks easier than ever, but if you have actually tried to do it, you know the hardest part is choosing what to sell and finding a supplier you can trust. You might think it's just about picking a cool product and posting it online, but anyone who's been through this knows it's way more complicated. The biggest hurdles, figuring out which products are trending right now, understanding the market demand, and then of course making sure you can get those products from reliable suppliers who won't mess up your orders. I have spent hours, sometimes days, scrolling through countless product ideas, juggling spreadsheets, and emailing suppliers that never respond or send poor quality samples. The whole process can feel overwhelming and honestly pretty discouraging. But what if I told you there's an AI powered tool that can simplify all this, help you discover trending products backed by real data, compare suppliers side by side, and manage your entire sourcing workflow without wasting hours? So today I want to show you Axio, an AI powered product research and supplier sourcing platform designed especially to solve these problems for entrepreneurs like you and me. Whether you are starting your first online order or you as a seasoned seller looking to scale quickly without headaches, this video is going to help you understand exactly how Axio works and why it might be the game changer you need. So before jumping into how Axio works, let's take a quick look at the common challenges that most sellers face when launching a new product. The first is finding trending products that actually sell. Most people start by checking trending lists on Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify, but by the time a product shows up there, it might already be saturated. What you really want is something that's just starting to pick up momentum. To find that, you need predictive insights, not just past sales data. The second one is validating product demand. Even if you find a product idea, how do you know it will actually sell? Collecting data from reviews, social media, and Google Trends manually is exhausting. You need real-time automated insights. The next one is finding reliable suppliers. A great product idea means nothing if your supplier is unreliable. High MOQs, pure communications, delayed shipping, these can kill your business before it starts. Fourth is keeping cost low and profit high. Margins are tight. One bad supplier decision or unexpected cost can ruin your profitability. And this is where Axio changed the game entirely. So I searched for trending home fitness gadgets in 2025 and Axio instantly pulled up smart resistance band with integrated sensors, compact vibrating muscle recovery devices, AI-powered yoga mats that sync with mobile apps. It used real-time data from platforms like Amazon, Instagram, TikTok, and even influencer signals to suggest what's trending. Then is breakdown, market overview, Google Trends insights, demand trajectory graphs. Each product has a full snapshot, reviews average, social chatter, competition scores, all in a clean visual layout. This saves hours of research and gives you real data you can act on. The second feature is AI-powered image plus text search. This is a feature I did not even know I needed until I saw it in action. Upload any product image, type in keywords, and instantly discover matches, variation, or custom tweets on the item. For example, I uploaded a treadmill and searched treadmill without handlebars. It shows compact versions perfectly for standing desks. Then I uploaded a smart fitness watch and typed one a circle shape. It found round dial alternatives with similar features, but it goes further than just finding products. You can modify styles, add or remove features, change colors or functions through specific keywords. This lets you reimagine and customize existing products, giving you a competitive edge and even helping you launch private label ideas faster. Now let's check out the business trending section. To get started, you need to type a prompt like trending kitchen gadgets in 2025, best gym accessories, or budget-friendly pet care, something that fits the niche or product category you want to explore. For example, I searched for trending kitchen gadgets in 2025 and right away I got a full breakdown from Google search spikes to Amazon top-selling kitchen tools. Google Trends saw a major jump in the interest for things like smart cutting board and electric stirrers, while Amazon confirmed that those products are actually selling fast. That's the beauty of it. Google Trends shows you what people are curious about, and Amazon Trends tells you what they are actually buying. When both are rising, that's your green flag to jump in. Next up, Accio even gives you sales and consumer behavior insights. This breakdown who's buying, what age group, from which country, how often, so you can understand the audience before you even invest in the product. And finally, you get a product recommendation. These are handpicked based on all the trend data. So instead of guessing what to sell, you can just scroll to a refined list and pick what fits your store or brand. It's not just us, it's a creative product development powered by AI. And once you find a product idea, Axio helps you dig deeper. Estimated monthly sales, average customer rating, price history trends, affiliate commission potential, associated trending keywords. I chose smart resistance band and saw 4.5 average rating, moderate competition, steady growth. Axio helped me validate the idea fast without running expensive ads. And this is where a lot of platforms fall short, but Axio nails it. You get verified supplier listing from Alibaba, AliExpress, and local sources, side-by-side comparison tools, pricing, MOQ, reviews, shipping speeds, and more. I used that super comparison tool on 3 suppliers for the muscle recovery device. Supplier A with lowest cost but high MOQs, supplier B with mid-priced low MOQs but fast shippings, and supplier C with great reviews but long delivery times. This helped me pick the best fit instantly. You can even chat with suppliers directly inside Axio, means apps, no email, no WhatsApp, just streamlined communication. Also, Axio mobile apps lets you manage orders, shipments, inventory levels. You can run everything from your phone even if you are traveling. But this feature is still in development, and when it's ready, we will cover it in a future videos. Now here's the additional features that make Axio stand out. AI summary, summarize reviews and description, advanced search filters, find niche products like eco-friendly kitchen gadgets with low competition, affiliate insights, spot high-paying products for affiliate marketing, trend forecasting, predicts future hits using seasonable and market data. I also tested Axio across several categories: eco-friendly products, reusable beeswax wraps, bamboo toothbrush, biodegradable phone cases, travel gear, portable water filters, solar backpack, RFID wallets, home office tools, smart LED desk lamps, ergonomic laptop stands, noise cancelling desk dividers. Each time Axio delivered trending products, real-time demand, and solid supply leads. Your time is valuable. Axio helps you discover profitable products quickly, validate them with data, connects with the right suppliers, managing your sourcing from one dashboard. Whether you are new to e-commerce or trying to scale fast, this tool cuts through the noise. So if you have been struggling to choose what to sell or how to source it, I highly recommend trying Axio. It can save you hours, reduce your risks, and help you launch smarter. I have also added a link in the description, so explore it for yourself. And if you have any question related to this video, then don't forget to comment down below. And don't forget to hit that like and that red subscribe button.